Hi, today in front of me VIVO IQOO U5X and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll to the sound section. Here you will see media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots by this way. To change volume buttons or the media with the volume buttons, you should select that here media. If you want to change with the help of the volume buttons the ringtone, switch it to the ringtone. Here we could change vibration for calls from never to vibrate always, vibrate first then ring gradually. Go back to activate notification vibration, click to the switcher. Also we could here activate and turn off the don't disturb mode to show the media recommendations and pin media player with the help of the switchers. Let's go back to activate and turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing. Click on the switcher. We could also here change phone ringtone, notification and alarm sounds, and on this just down section we could change here the settings for dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds, screenshot sounds, touch vibration and vibrate when the other party answers hands up. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.